Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a family member on InZOI. So first of all, as you can see, I have another family member which I would like to delete. So first of all, you're going to press create a family, and as you can see, there's no delete button here. So you can either edit your ZOI completely and change it, or you can go back there where you have been. Then you're going to press edit the city. You can go ahead and press all families. So I'm gonna press move ZOIs between families. Then, for example, let's choose our family and then another one. Then press OK. And now, basically, you need to make sure that your ZOI is not the one that you're playing now with. And then you're gonna just press like so and move it from your house, just like so. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.